Did you know? Not all chicken meat tastes the same. Some parts are juicy and rich, others are lean and clean, and the cut you choose can completely change your cooking result. Hey everyone, welcome to Food Insign, where we break down food in the simplest and most interesting way possible. Today, we're going through the most popular chicken cuts and how to use each one like a pro. Number 1. Chicken breast. Let's start with the most popular cut. Chicken breast is lean, high in protein, and very low in fat. That's why it's often used in healthy meals and fitness diets. But here's the downside. Because it has very little fat, it can become dry very quickly if overcooked. That's why cooking technique is extremely important. If you cook it whole, you should use medium heat and let it cook evenly. If you slice it thin, it cooks faster and stays more tender. Chicken breast works best for dishes like grilled chicken, salads, sandwiches, and stir-fry. A helpful tip is to marinate it before cooking. This adds moisture and enhances flavor. When done right, it's clean, light, and very versatile. Number 2. Chicken thigh. Now let's talk about flavor. Chicken thigh is darker meat, with more fat and connective tissue. This makes it much juicier and more flavorful than breast. It's also more forgiving. Even if you cook it longer than needed, it usually stays tender and soft. Chicken thigh is perfect for dishes that require strong flavor or longer cooking time. For example, fried chicken, roasted chicken, braised dishes, or curry. It absorbs spices and sauces very well, making it one of the best cuts for rich recipes. If you want something tasty and reliable, chicken thigh is a top choice. 3. Chicken drumstick. Drumsticks are simple, affordable, and very satisfying. They contain a good balance of meat, fat, and bone, which creates deeper flavor during cooking. The bone helps retain moisture so the meat stays juicy inside. Drumsticks are especially popular for fried chicken. When cooked properly, the outside becomes crispy, while the inside remains soft and juicy. They can also be baked or grilled for a healthier option. They're easy to hold, easy to eat, and perfect for casual meals or sharing. 4. Chicken wings. Small, but full of flavor. Chicken wings have more skin and fat compared to other cuts. This makes them perfect for frying or baking at high heat. The skin becomes crispy, and the fat adds richness. Wings are best known for their sauces: buffalo, barbecue, honey garlic. They all rely on bold and intense flavors. Unlike other cuts, wings are not about having a lot of meat. They're about the experience: crispy texture, strong flavor, and satisfying bites. That's why they're so popular for snacks and parties. Number 5. Chicken tenderloin. Chicken tenderloin is the most delicate part of the chicken. It sits just under the breast and has a naturally soft texture. Because it's thin, it cooks very quickly. This makes it perfect for fast dishes like stir-fry, chicken strips, or light pan cooking. It also absorbs seasoning very well, so it's great for marinated recipes. However, it needs careful attention. If you cook it too long, it can dry out very quickly. Quick cooking and proper timing are key. When done right, it's tender, juicy, and easy to eat. 6. Whole chicken. Sometimes the best option is the whole chicken. With one chicken, you get multiple cuts and textures in a single meal. When roasted properly, you get crispy skin on the outside and juicy meat on the inside. Whole chicken is perfect for family meals, gatherings, or meal prep. It's also more cost-effective than buying separate cuts. You can even use leftovers for other dishes like soups or sandwiches. It's a practical and versatile choice. 7. Chicken back and bones. This part is often overlooked, but extremely important. Chicken backs and bones are rich in collagen and flavor. When simmered slowly, they create a deep, flavorful broth. This broth is the foundation for soups, sauces, and many traditional dishes. The longer you cook it, the richer the flavor becomes. Professional chefs rely on bones because great cooking starts with a strong base. Even though it's not usually eaten directly, it plays a key role in making food taste better. So what's the takeaway? Every chicken cut has its own purpose. Some are lean and healthy, others are rich and flavorful. Some cook quickly, others need more time. Choosing the right cut can completely change your dish. As for me, I would always choose chicken thigh. It's juicy, forgiving, and full of flavor. What about you? Which chicken cut do you prefer? Leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Food Insign for more simple and interesting food breakdowns. See you in the next video.